A man is behind bars and 12 goats and the vehicles they were being transported in seized as the Area 3 police cracked down on what they believe to be an animal stealing ring. Krista Campbell has the details.
Four-legged passengers in a police pickup van at the Lacovia station in St. Elizabeth. The culmination of a two-day operation to crack down on what the police say is an animal stealing ring operating mainly out of the Windsor-Siloa area of St. Elizabeth. Head of the Area 3 Agricultural Protection Branch, Sergeant Desroy Holness, says the police acted on reports of 3 stolen goats in Asia, Manchester on Monday. He says they made a breakthrough during an operation on Wednesday.
A grey Toyota Wish had pounced up in the community of Asia and one man came out and took up 3 goats. On yesterday's operation, the Area 3 APB team would have spotted the said car along the main road in Manchester. Same vehicle found to have goat feces and hair. A man fitting the said description was taken into custody. When questioned, some checks made the area that he is from, the pen in Kendall community, that's in Manchester, where the team found a total of 12 goats.
He says the animals have an estimated value of $1.5 million. Sergeant Holness says another 10 goats valued at $600,000 were recovered during a 4-hour operation on Thursday. He's appealing to farmers who've had animals stolen in northern Manchester to contact the police.
If they have made reports at particular station, revisit the station, speak to the investigating officer, and then come to the Lacovia police station where they can view these animals. But we suspect all these animals to be stolen based on the way they were held in those bushes.
Now, as the police work to reduce predial larceny across the Area 3 Police Division, Sergeant Holness notes that thieves are changing their strategy. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.